my name is Caesar. I'm your guide. And then we have Angel. He is our captain. This is Angel first day.
Hi, Angel.
First
day.
You drive before? He said he did before. Yeah. So we want to trust him. So I think he would do a good job.
Yeah.
So guys, okay. I think we have 3 boats that want to go to the chocolate farm. So we know what.
See a couple people waiting for us there.
I think it's a good place to build a house all the way up there.
Yeah.
But I would have to put an elevator, right?
That's right. You can make a zip line coming down.
It's supposed to be a really beautiful view from there, man. Oh,
there's the other boat over there.
You know how much money is he investing to this?
Coming in here. We want to go up here. Yeah, got off the boat okay, made it here. Didn't get rained on. Rain kind of stopped, so it's pretty good. All right, see you later. Don't forget to subscribe.
Well, a lot of them have pretty fancy house, like even their house was even better than mine.
Yeah.
You see, so some of them they do have a little money. Basically, most of them is farmers. The only problem that they have here is the sewage, where it goes. That's the problem.
Sure.
Yeah, but otherwise, be careful where you step.
Yep, the chicken down there.
Okay. 1, 2, 3. See, all of this walkway like that, basically is made by the government. Like, you know, they don't have to be walking into the mud or
Oh, good.
like that.
Sure.
See? And if you look, they have a little store where they sell the sugar, they sell the salt. So then a couple of them have the little business that they don't have to go all the way into Bocas to get merchandise to come back. So they have a little store, so they sell a little everything over here.
Yep.
See? So I do grow up in a little small community like this. Where probably the 3% of the Creole people is my family, and then the others are all Indian. So I learned to speak the Indian language a little bit also. And it's very funny for them because when they heard me like speaking the Indian language, they said, "Oh, can you speak that?" And they think it's only them can do it. You know? Buenos días, Coindego. La tienda de artesanía, ¿por qué está cerrado? No se supo que iba a venir gente por acá. Yo voy para allá. Nosotros vamos a estar acá, pero es bueno que si cuando regresamos puedan abrir para que la gente pueda ver.
Okay.
Good morning.
Bye bye. Bye bye. Bye bye.
Good morning. Good morning.
Thank you. Bye bye.
Good morning. Buenas, ¿cómo están?
Good morning. Good morning. Hello. Oh, you got fish in there.
Wow.
Wow. You got a whole bunch.
No, ese es mucho más que 5. Wow. ¿Cómo vende el pescado?
A 1.75.
Está excelente. Sí. Excelente. Yo me acuerdo, yo vendía pescado a $4 la libra y la gente no querían comprar.
Yeah, so this is the old cemetery here. Not too many people buried there unless some of them don't have the crypts. They're just buried in the ground maybe. But maybe it goes on the other side too. I see some up the top of the hill.
No, but almost as often you find this type of plant. And you know what? I never asked the question why they plant these. ¿Cómo está?
The chocolate farm, finally. All right.
They're happy to see me. But I don't know if they're happy to see you. But I'm sure they do. Hola, hello. Hola, muy bien. Yes. So we want to walk this. These are the ginger plants that we call the ginger. If we look at the right, this is the ginger. Look how beautiful is that over there.
Yeah, it's opened up. That's a nice one there. more points down here.
Look at these leaves. They look like elephant ears.
Yeah,
right?
just about there, just about.
Ahora, cuénteme. ¿Pasamos acá primero? Okay, ¿nos vamos a sentar acá?
Sí.
Okay, we want to pass over here of San Christopher Columbus that actually have baptized the island.
Que llegó en 1502, era una tierra desolada.
It was in the year of 1502, where there was nothing here before that.
Luego llegaron personas con las cuales se empezó lo que es la agricultura y
Buen
hoy
día.
en día la finca es totalmente de área de cacao.
Okay, there was people that's a lot of people that have to do with the agriculture, and they came first time here, and then today days they can really say that they have other farmers that try to plant and do other stuff like that into the community.
Ok. Antes de hacer lo que es el senderismo que dura 45 minutos,
So before we go through the trail, that's going to take us like 40 to 45 minutes.
tomaremos un poco de cacao con té.
We want to drink, they want to offer us a little bit of drink of the natural chocolate,
Okay.
Para luego hacer lo que es el recorrido.
because that want to give us some energy, so it's
That's
feel
what
better,
we need.
so we can
Oh, yeah.
walk into the. Good morning, our
Hello, ladies.
I said good morning, ladies.
Oh,
Good morning.
Very good.
Girls, good morning, everybody.
Very good.
She said welcome.
Mi nombre es Lucía.
Her name is Lucia.
Adelia.
Adelia.
Hello.
And Helen. Yeah, Helen has present herself. Tatiana present herself already. Tu nombre?
Claricia.
Yanaira. Your name? Rosemary. Lismari. That's a beautiful name. And then over here we have
Rosa.
Rosa. And then we have Claricia. So these are beautiful girls, right? Well, like for 2 months or 3 months. No, you can have them for years, and would not get damaged like that.
Okay, chocolate.
Okay.
Pour it out. Well, we got some of the natural chocolate here that I'm going to taste here. So let's see how it is. I'm going to taste it. I think it's going to be warm here too. Let's see. Oh yeah, it's hot. It's bitter and it's a little watery, but you can taste the chocolate in it definitely there. So yeah, here we go. I'm going to take another one here.
Like everybody, just drink it if you don't want to.
God, I needed that. So yeah, almost done here. All right, let me finish it up here. Okay.
Okay, so after they get it real toast, then after the toast, then they want to get the rock, and then they want to be milling the chocolate with the rock. And then after that, it's another process after that. Okay? But that's how they do it. Into the
I think
road,
these
so
are the
we would
cola
have a
nuts.
stick.
Yeah.
So everybody would have a stick to walk and to hold on until we do the trail. Okay.
I got my stick here
You have your stick.
so I don't fall into the
Don't
mud
fall, you
and
try
make
to
a
hold
scene. If I do fall, make sure you get a picture of me.
it. Yeah, that I will.
Okay.
I will, because I
Okay.
need to love.
Okay. Yeah, he's going to be tough to see in there. But yeah. Okay. There he is. Mind your way there.
If you see, we have different type of frogs.
Oh,
You
so
see
they
the
have to break them
They
open.
break them up. They break them because they have like a little,
little
shell
okay.
on top of it. Okay.
Okay. And what's the white thing? That middle one?
But this
Yeah.
is coconut.
Oh, okay.
That's
okay.
coconut. Yeah, that's coconut.
And this is the super ripe one.
Yeah, this is the right one.
Right.
What we're talking about.
Okay.
And so for a long time, this is not something that they do.
Tomate-Paste herstellen, ne?
So they will make like, you know.
Das wird seit über 100 Jahren so gemacht. Mit zwei Steinen werden die Bohnen genommen,
Okay, this is
die
the cacao.
geröstet und
sweet
getrocknet
sweet cacao.
sind. Dann werden sie hier so eine Paste gemacht. Und nachdem sie so eine Paste gemacht worden sind, dann werden sie genommen und dann wird ein bisschen Zuckerrühr dazugegeben. Und dann wird diese Creme so entstehen. Ne? Man kann so,
Don't bite the seed. Just suck it. Just suck it. Don't
dann
bite the
zeigt
seed.
sie
Don't
uns
swallow
das.
the
También
seed.
está todo.
Okay, have a seed. Okay?
Ja,
Just taste it.
Möchte jemand noch Kakao in dieser Form probieren nochmal?
And this is how
Nein?
we do.
¿Seid alle bedient? Wunderbar. Ya ven que ya lo habían probado. Sí.
This is the ripe cola nut.
Right.
And they're very ripe, yes, where they take the nuts out of there, take them over there,
Right.
take the little shells off, and they take them down here and
Correct.
grind them up.
After you put it in
And
there,
then after they roast them,
you roast them,
and
then you
grind them.
then
Okay.
you grind it. You try, then he goes. If somebody else wants to try after.
I have to get down on the bench first here. There we go. All right. All right. Doing my best here.
All right, let's go.
Oh, super. Wir haben Aushilfestelle zur Verfügung.
Doing the best that I can here.
You're doing it.
I
You're
don't
doing
know.
it.
It smells good while I'm doing it here, so I have to do it like the ladies do. They really put some pressure on it there, but okay. All right.
Aha. So, wir können jetzt weiter. Super.
Super.
Super gemacht.
Ja.
Herzlichen Dank für euren Besuch hier in der Farm.
Thank you.
Und dann weiter.
Well, we're heading back from the chocolate place. Had a long hike, very slippery trail. Wet, it rained earlier this morning, and my back was bothering me. So I got to take an ibuprofen when I get back to the ship here, I think. All right, but the kid did it. The kid did it then.
How you feel?
Feeling good. The back still hurts, but I'm okay.
Okay.
All right, now we're on the pavement here, so it's mostly downhill going back, which is good. I like that. Didn't see any sloths or anything, although maybe myself personally, I could be considered a sloth at times. You never know there. But yeah, lunch is next. Okay. Here we go, the baby little chickens here. Oh, look at them. Oh, we started out with X number of people, and we still have X number of people. So we didn't lose anybody, and we got a little tiny taste of the chocolate, just a little liquid stuff. I thought we'd get a, Hershey bar or something, but I guess not there. Bye-bye.
We can keep the mug.
Yeah.
It's free. It's all included in the price.
La guía que
Now,
la escort que dice que
I'm heading back on the boat now, and we're going back to the ship here. So it's noisy, the water's here, the breeze feels good. It's nice and cooled off here a little bit here. So next thing, get back to the ship, get cleaned up a little bit,